Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. Then open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!